Charred deer and the remains of other animals lay scattered across a forest near El Tiemblo in Spain's Ávila province on Tuesday, after a devastating wildfire tore through the area. The blaze was one of several wildfires burning across central Spain, fueled by scorching temperatures, dry vegetation, and rugged mountainous terrain, making firefighting efforts increasingly challenging. The fires have scorched vast stretches of forest, killing wildlife and forcing more than 180,000 people to evacuate or remain confined across the country. A Madrid resident who had been holidaying in El Tiemblo said she never imagined witnessing such widespread destruction, describing the devastation as heartbreaking.
Lo peor. Yo creía que esto no lo iba a vivir. He vivido muchos incendios, porque soy de Sotillo de Ladrada, un pueblo al lado, y que están igual. Y yo creía que esto no lo íbamos a vivir nunca, y mira.
Firefighters faced critical hours as Spain prepared for its fourth heat wave of the summer, with strong winds expected to fan the flames further. According to Spain's public broadcaster RTVE, around 50,000 hectares have burned in Ávila, 28,000 hectares in Madrid, and 8,500 hectares in Castellón. Nationwide, wildfires have destroyed about 172,400 hectares of land so far this year.